Here, give you. What's this do? Oh, that's what.
Yeah.
Not bad. Good time.
Here, you want one, Chris? Here.
Just a stick of smoke.
Get her away from your mom. Stand over here.
Tell me it's not gonna.
It's just a smoke bomb. Kids are so weird.
Green, yellow, and white.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Did you get a picture of it?
Oh yeah, I've been doing pictures and video. Video the whole time, actually.
I run out faster than you.
Because you're Chris.
Muscle is big when you get down.
You didn't close the door to the house, right?
You did close the door, right?
Oh yeah, I did.
Well, that was pretty cool.
Why did they use such a big stick if they don't fill it all the way?
So what else we got?
Oh, we got a mummy smoke.